y'all. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, guys, this is a motivation video. This is going to be how to get motivated to clean. So what I have for you guys today is 12 different little prompts that is going to help you get motivated to clean. It's going to help you be a more tidy person, and I hope that you guys enjoy this. Let's jump right in.
What you doing this morning? Gotta smell everything? I gotta smell everything, Bubba? Oh, I gotta smell everything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I gotta smell everything.
So I decided that I would just start this video off with my actual morning. Like, this is exactly what I do every single morning. The first thing I do as soon as my feet hit the floor is I let all of the dogs out. Now, I let them out one by one. It's just much easier that way. And yes, I clean everybody's feet every time we come in the door. But I just wanted to be real with you guys and tell you first off that motivation comes from within. It comes from with what you love and what you care about. And my motivation, my true motivation, are my children, Jordan, and these dogs. That is where my motivation comes from. It truly comes from the fact that I want them to live in a clean space. And I know that they deserve to live in a clean space, including myself. I know that I am worthy of living in a clean and tidy space. And, you know, my surroundings being something that I can be comfortable in, number one, but also that I can be proud of, something that I can, you know, love and cherish and take care of and really be proud of. You know what I mean? But that is where real, true motivation comes from. Okay, let's get started with these 12 prompts that I have for you guys. So number one, set a timer. Guys, this works. I'm telling you, this works. Why it works, I don't know, but it works, okay? Even when you're overwhelmed by the mess, you can do anything for 15 minutes, okay? For any easy first step and a quick win. It's a win when you accomplish it. You know what I'm saying? Set a timer on your phone, on the stove, on the microwave, whatever you've got. Little timer, wherever. You can set it on your phone. That's the easiest thing to do. That's what I do. And just see how much you can accomplish in that amount of time. I'm telling you, you will be astonished at how much you can actually accomplish in that amount of time. We tend to like over exaggerate how long tasks are going to actually take us to do. And you will be very, very surprised. I promise you, you will get a lot more done in 15 minutes than you think you will. A lot more. Even myself with like the ADHD, I can focus on one task for 15 minutes, for heaven's sakes. But it's small moments like that when we intentionally take the practical steps it takes to becoming more tidy. So you're intentionally doing something. You know what I'm saying? For 15 minutes, you're not doing anything else. I'm doing this one particular thing. That's the kind of mindset that you need to have. But like I said, number one, set a timer. All right, number two, start small. This kind of plays off of the set a timer for 15 minutes. Start small. Don't look at it and think you're gonna clean your entire house in 15 minutes, or you're gonna clean your entire house and, oh my God, it's gonna take me 2 days to get it done. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know where to start. Just start small, okay? If you keep finding other things to do instead of cleaning, you will realize that you are just procrastinating. Unfortunately, avoiding chores will not make them go away. And having undone tasks hanging over your head can feel awful, even overwhelming at times. So start small. Just commit to doing one thing. Empty out the dishwasher, put away that one load of laundry, but be intentional about it. You know what I mean? So intentionally working hard towards your goals and being persistent will lead to a tidy home. I promise you it will. It is all about the small daily habits you choose to incorporate into your everyday life. So if you have not read the book by James Clear, it's called Atomic Habits. Guys, you are missing out. And I'm telling you, it will make you think completely different about small little daily habits that you do. And by starting small like this, once you get to tidying, you will find other things that you can quickly do. You know what I mean? You will find different little things that you can quickly do, but being intentional about it makes a big difference. If you do these several times a day, your house will start staying clean. Now, there's just no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It has to, because you're intentionally doing these things several times a day, but it's small little habits, 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there. Totally beats having to spend 2 days cleaning your house and then you don't do anything to it for a week, and oh my gosh, it looks just like it did before you spent 2 days cleaning it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so doing these little small daily habits, they really do make a difference over time, guys. All right, number 3, reward yourself. If cleaning feels like punishment, promise yourself a reward at the end. Watch your favorite show, paint your nails, go get a coffee. If you tell yourself you can't have that little thing that you want until you've cleaned, you might just feel inspired to take care of that annoying task first. I promise you, this works as well. It's just kind of a mind thing. You know what I mean? It's just thinking about it in a different mindset and really going after what you're wanting to accomplish. But reward yourself at the end. There's nothing wrong with an adult getting a reward. Like I said, maybe it's just a coffee from Starbucks, but hey, that's a reward, okay? Anyways, all right, number 4, watch a YouTube video. Something about watching a person take their home from messy to clean is actually quite motivating. When you just need energy to run your own house, these inspiring videos really do help. I promise you, they seriously do help. I swear to y'all, I can be laying in bed having a bad day. I don't want to do anything. I don't even want to get up. And I can lay there and watch TikTok and it just be a feed of nothing but cleaning TikToks. And I'll want to get up and clean. I swear it. I swear. I don't know why this works, but it absolutely works. Okay. All right. Number 5, invite somebody over. This works as well. I swear it does. The idea that others are going to come over and see your mess can serve as a great motivator to get to cleaning. This is the way I am. If my in-laws are coming, honey, I'm cleaning top to bottom, here, there, everywhere. I want it to be clean. I don't know why. I just do, okay? I know why, because I want them to know that I take good care of their son. That's why. But that just goes back to the whole motivation really comes from within. It's all about what you care about and, you know, what's important to you, what really matters in life. That's where your motivation truly lies. Okay, number 6, use new cleaning products. This one here, I love. Listen, I cannot ever have enough cleaning products. It doesn't matter. If every time I go to the store, I have got to buy some kind of cleaning product, I swear. But if sometimes it's as simple as buying a new product to inspire you, especially ones that smell good, something about cleaning with products that make your house smell fresh and clean is especially inspiring. So yes, I'm definitely one to be sniffing stuff in the aisles at the dollar store. I don't care. I want to see what it smells like before I'm taking it home. So yes, definitely check out how it smells first. That's a big deal. But no, really though, I love cleaning products. I don't know what it is about them. I just do. I always say, I know you're getting older when, you know, a new vacuum or a new thing of cleaning product just gets you so excited. That's when you know you're getting a little older, you know, life is changing a little bit, but it is all about what's important. You know what I mean? All right, number 7, turn off distractions. Put your phone away so that you're not tempted to check every time you get a notification and then somehow end up on TikTok for the next 3 hours. Yes, I'm speaking from personal experience. The fewer distractions pulling you away from your cleaning, the faster you will get your task accomplished. Now, that is the truth. If you just buckle down, focus, and make yourself do it, it will help. It will make you do it. It will make you get the task accomplished. Know that you can get back to that Netflix movie or that Instagram post just as soon as you're done. But you have to finish it before you do it. You know what I mean? You have to, it's all about your mindset, and it is all about being intentional about your time. That's all there is to it. You have to do it with intention. You have to do it because you want to get it accomplished. Okay, number 8, turn on some music, podcast, audiobooks, etc. Now, I know this kind of, well, you just said turn off your phone. Well, I know, but I didn't say turn on your phone and you get all your notifications. I said turn on a music, podcast, audiobook, etc. Just like during a workout, it's hard to get pumped up without upbeat music. Something about playing my music or listening to my favorite podcast makes me clean faster and allows me to forget I'm even cleaning. The idea is to be distracted enough and forget you are cleaning, but not so much that you forget to clean at all. Okay, number 9. Remind yourself why you're cleaning in the first place. If you think cleaning is just a giant pain because no one appreciates it, or it is pointless because it's just going to get dirty again, hallelujah, praise the Lord, that is so true. But you are looking at it all wrong. When your living space is clean and tidy, your mind and soul are more at peace. Now, there are actual studies done about this. Clutter and messy surroundings directly affect your happiness. When you start keeping your living space clean, you will have pride of ownership of your belongings. Guys, this is so true. You'll enjoy spending time at your house. You will feel relaxed when you're actually there. If you stop looking at cleaning as a chore and instead think of it as treating yourself with kindness, it takes on a whole new meaning. Guys, this is so true. This is what I was talking about in the beginning. It is all about your mindset. It is all about accomplishing goals that you want to set for yourself. It is about setting habits, setting a timer, 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there. I'm going to intentionally do such and such, and I want to accomplish such and such goal. And even if it doesn't feel like it's doing anything at that present moment, when you step back in a month or a week and you look and you've seen that you've done this, and this each day, you will see the difference that it's making in your life. I promise you. Okay, number 10, create a routine. This one is big for me. I'm all about routines. I like the way that my day is structured, and I don't like for it to get messed up. Just make a simple list of the areas of your home that need regular attention. Regular attention, guys. I'm not talking about deep cleaning. I'm just talking about things that need regular attention. Don't overthink it. Just add your task to your daily to-do list or your planner, whatever you have. Pretty soon it will become a habit and you won't even think about it. If dishes and laundry pile up, commit to doing one load of each every single day. That's the part though. You have to commit to it. You have to be persistent. You have to intentionally make up your mind that you're going to do this task. Making your bed takes less than a minute and it goes a long way in making your room look nice. That is so true. It is so true. You guys know it is. Creating these habits is an integral part of your home staying clean. If you don't change your habits, nothing in your life will change. Do you understand that? That's so very true, guys. If you don't change your habits, nothing in your life will change. What's that saying? You do something and you do it over and over and expecting a change. It's called insanity or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, number 11. Do something daily. This goes hand in hand with the cleaning routine, but for the bigger task, you could assign each day a task of the week. Monday could be dusting day. Tuesday could be tackling the vacuuming. Wednesday could be bathroom cleaning days. You get the point. But doing something daily, I promise you, it makes such a difference in your home staying clean. It just does. It absolutely does, hands down. If you just do these habits every single day, your home will stay clean all the time, not just it took you 2 days to do it and it stayed clean for 3 days and then now it looks like a mess again. You have to do these things daily, guys. All right, number 12. Take before and after pictures. I know this works because I do this myself just with all my filming and my pictures and whatnot. I get to see what it looks like before and after, and it does make a big difference. Seeing your progress in pictures form can be highly motivating and a great way to see your progress. Kind of like people losing weight, you know how they take before and after photos to see the evolution of their journey, through their weight loss or whatever. It's easy to forget where you started from. So it's all about making sure that you're doing these little habits and you motivate yourself by taking these pictures because you want to see what your house looks like before, and then when you're done, you can be proud and you can take ownership of your belongings. And like I was saying before, you take pride in that, and there's just something about it. But listen, if it's been a long time since you've cleaned, don't think about cleaning your whole house in one day. Small steps and tasks done on a regular basis add up to a lot more progress than you would expect. And it's much better for your stress levels, I promise. Do a little bit one day and a little more the next day, working on small areas at one time. A messy home doesn't get that way all at once. So give yourself a little time and a little grace to develop a new habit it will take to start having a tidy house. Just focus on how good it feels to accomplish it, dive in, and see just how fast you can get your home tidy. While you may never enjoy doing housework and cleaning, I promise you that you will enjoy living in a clean home. And that was it. So those are my 12 prompts to get you motivated to cleaning your house. I hope that this has helped you guys. I love doing these videos like this. I love doing the research for them. I think it's a lot of fun to put these videos together. And then also just the cleaning part. I think it's fun getting to set up the camera and just kind of go throughout my day doing what I do, and this is the rest of it. So I'm just going to put a little music on for you guys. There's not much of the video left, but I just wanted to share this with y'all. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you guys. And I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. I love, love, love doing this. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy. I love y'all.